Fine, last video I just completed till fundamentals principle relating to ethics, that is integrity, honesty and straightforwardness while discharging their duties, objectivity, confidentiality, professional competence, professional behavior. Now we are going to discuss safeguards. Now we are going to discuss created by professionals, legislation or regulations, that is in safeguard. You can see here. So in that points A, B, C, D, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points are included, created by professional legislation or regulations. First one, training. Second one, continuing profession development. Third, corporate governance regulations. Fifth one, professional standards. Fifth one, disciplinary procedure. And sixth one, external review. What is the created by professional legislation or regulations? That are 6 points are there. Training first, continuing professional development. Third one, corporate governance regulations. Fourth one, professional standards. Fifth one, disciplinary procedure. And sixth one, external review. So remember these points, created by professional legislation or regulations. Okay, so sixth one, next column I'm discussing, that is work environment. In safeguards, we have in safeguards second point is work environment. That in that I'm going to discuss about the sub points. You can see here there are till H points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 points are there. So first one, A is, you can see here, this one A1 is organization system of corporate oversight or other oversight. Okay, second one, organizational ethics and conduct programs. Okay, first one, A, organization system of corporate oversight or other oversight. Second one, organizational ethics and product programs. Third one, recruitment procedure. Fourth one, strong internal controls. Fifth one, you can see here, disciplinary procedures. And due to system problem I went that side, sorry for that. Work environment, again work environment, we can see first, A, organization system of corporate oversight or other oversight. B1, organizational ethics and conduct programs. C, recruitment procedure. D, strong internal controls. E, appropriate disciplinary processes. F, timely communication. G, this is F. G, leadership. And H, policies and procedure. Work environment, how is the work environment? Organization system of corporate oversight or other oversight, organizational ethics and conduct programs, recruitment procedures, strong internal controls, appropriate disciplinary processes, timely communication, leadership and policies. These will include in work environment. Okay, for here I am going to stop this video. In next part I will go to the next chart. Thanks for watching this. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.